Have you ever wondered how your engine knows exactly how much air is entering the intake manifold? The answer is the MAP sensor, one of the most important sensors your engine relies on. As air flows through the throttle body, the pressure inside the intake manifold constantly changes. The MAP sensor measures this pressure hundreds of times every second. Inside the sensor is a tiny pressure-sensitive diaphragm. As pressure changes, the diaphragm flexes slightly, creating an electrical signal that represents manifold pressure. The MAP sensor sends this voltage signal directly to the engine computer. The ECU combines this information with engine RPM, intake air temperature, and throttle position to calculate engine load. Using this data, the ECU decides exactly how much fuel each injector should deliver. This keeps the air-fuel mixture balanced for maximum power, fuel economy, and lower emissions. On turbocharged engines, the MAP sensor becomes even more important because it also measures boost pressure, allowing the ECU to control turbo performance safely. If the MAP sensor fails, the ECU receives incorrect pressure information. This can cause poor acceleration, rough idle, excessive fuel consumption, black exhausted smoke, and a check engine light. In simple terms, the MAP sensor measures intake manifold pressure, converts it into an electrical signal, and helps the ECU calculate the perfect amount of fuel for every driving condition. That's how a tiny sensor plays a huge role in keeping your engine running efficiently.